Jax here from Legend Brands. Today we're covering one of my favorite topics, updating firmware. Well, I wouldn't exactly call it my favorite topic. As you know, I'm more of a hands-on guy. But when it comes to maximizing efficiency with your Dri-Eaz dehumidifier lineup, understanding the ins and outs of the Command Center ecosystem is a must. It starts with Command Hub, which is integrated into our new lineup and the recent i-Series Dri-Eaz dehumidifiers. I love them. You get instant access to critical job data, allowing on-site monitoring of job trends, tracking important maintenance, and with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you get seamless integration with Command Center Pro Dashboard and mobile app, which gives you remote access to the same critical information. Jax, you mean I can monitor my job while I'm at the CFP for the NCAA?
Wait, Jax, what's the CFP for the NCAA?
You know, college football playoff and annual professional knockout invitational tournament to determine the national champion for the National Collegiate Athletic Association, the highest level of college football competition.
Oh.
The answer is absolutely. With Command Hub, you get instant access, which gives you the power and freedom to lead your business from anywhere using the Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro Dashboard and mobile app. Now, as with most great things in life, they often require a little extra love. To keep the amazing flexibility of remote access and the latest features, I'm going to walk you through updating your firmware. First, go to legendbrands.com. Under Resources, click Command Center. Scroll down, and you'll find the dashboard. Once at the dashboard, hit Register. Plug in all your information. Don't worry, it's for internal use only. Once completed, hit Register Now. This will automatically send you a confirmation email. Wait, Jax, you mean I have to check my email to complete the process? I know. Remember, most great things in life often require a little extra love. Open your email and click Confirm Email. This will open your browser and ask you to reset your password, which is the last step in the setup process. Now, go to your phone's app store and type in Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro. That's the app you want to download. Once downloaded, use the login credentials you just created to log in. Now go to your unit and hit the menu screen, which is that little hamburger icon just left of the power button. Next, hit Register the device, and that will take you to a screen with a QR code. You want to scan that code with your phone.
I give up.
What do you mean you give up?
I held my phone over the QR code for an hour. Nothing happened.
You need to open the Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro app and select Devices. It'll open a screen so that you can scan the QR code.
Oh.
Once you scan the QR code through the app, the unit will then register automatically. Next, find the unit you just registered on the devices list and hit the button on the right side of it, which is a Bluetooth icon. This will bring up a new screen where you'll want to select the gear icon. Next, select Firmware Update, and then Start Firmware Update in the screen that follows. This process will take roughly 3 minutes. Once completed, your unit will be up to date and ready to go with the latest firmware.
Jax, you should mention that they need to do this for each dehumidifier unit in their Dri-Eaz arsenal.
Good catch. Ange is right. If you want the power and freedom to lead your business from anywhere, you want to be sure to update the firmware on all your units.
That comment earlier, 100% accurate.
Which one?
Great things in life often require a little extra love.
I'm glad we're on the same page.
Which reminds me, is now a good time to ask about my raise?
Legend Brands.